Hello. So in the session of cloud computing, today we will see that what are the various applications of this cloud, what is the application area of your cloud computing and the various cloud providers here. So this cloud computing is providing applications in every field. That means this is applicable here in various fields starting from your business, entertainment, data storage, networking, management, education and many more. So we will discuss here just some of the application areas of your cloud computing. So the very first with which we will begin here is like your as the business applications here. So cloud computing has made this business more collaborative by incorporating various applications. That means with the help of these applications, the business has become more flexible and efficient. Outputs are expected from the various business firms here. So the various applications which is providing and what are the applications of these what are the usage of these applications here or the apps here in the business platform are like for example it's providing MailChimp here. So this MailChimp basically here offers an email publishing platform. So this is basically here an email publishing platform email publishing platform which is used to design and send email campaigns. That means separately it just doesn't require to do this purpose, but this platform, this application is particularly here designed only for this area. That means it will be used to design the applications and send those email campaigns to the various firms which are required by one particular organization here. So it could be used by organization when it is requiring such kind of requirements by itself. After that, it provides another apps like your charter. So it helps the employees to share the important information about the organization in the real time here. So you can share that information. The various employees can share that information in the real time. After that, it also provides Google Apps for businesses. We have Google Apps for the various businesses here. So that means it will offer or this the Google Apps for Business offers here creating text documents, spreadsheets, presentation, etc. on the Google Docs here. That means all these applications here are cloud based here. After that, another application which we can see here or another app which is offered is like your QuickBooks. So it offers online accounting solution. This app basically offers here online accounting solutions. That means it monitors here the various cash flows, creating VAT returns and the various business report here. So that means in your business applications, we will have certain many applications which are designed only for the business apps here. That means these apps you just need to install these apps on your system and these will perform all of these routine work for you whichever you require in your system for your business here. So after business applications, the next is a very important application or very important area here in today's scenario. So that is your data storage and backup. Data storage and backup. So that means it will provide certain apps for storing your data and the backup which is required here. So it offers here like your box.com. So this box.com here offers drag and drop services. So it is basically providing drag and drop services here. So that means it is providing this drag and drop services for the various files, so that can be stored here and later on can be retrieved, or we can have also the backup for the various files here. So what it is required, it's just required to drop the files into the box and access from anywhere. That means the storage here is with the cloud platform, not with your system. So there is not any issue, or there is not to worry about that it will be lost here, because you can access that from anywhere because it is with the cloud platform there. After that, it offers here other services like your Mozy. So it offers online backup services for your file. So this is basically an online backup service here. Other data storage and backup app is like your Joku. So it is a web-based interface. It allows to display a single list of contents for files stored in Google Docs or Dropbox. So that means from there you can access the files, your data files from there. Now after the data storage and backup, other application area for your cloud computing is like your management applications. So basically it has categorized the various applications, like separately the business applications, that's separately for your data storage, and then now we have here your management applications. Like now in your management area, you require to perform time management and organization of various things here. So that means the applications which will be involved here in the management scenario, that will be used for performing tasks such as your time tasking, your time tracking, your organization of the various notes regarding your meetings, and maintaining certain deadlines, etc. So some of the apps for your management applications are like your Toggle. So it helps in tracking the time period assigned to a particular project. It tracks for a particular project here. That means it will help you to keep in mind, or it will we can say that it will act like here's an alarm that yes, this is the time period in which this particular project has to be completed. So that means it will keep a track of that completion time for that particular project here, or we can say that a particular time period has been assigned to a project, so it will be monitoring that. After this, the other one which we have here is the other management application which we have is your Evernote here. So what happens is this, it basically organizes sticky notes. That means we need to organize certain notes here. So it will organize those sticky notes. You just simply in earlier days you have to write them and just to stick them. So it organizes these notes, and even it can read text, and it can read text from images also, which can help to locate the notes easily and then to organize them properly here. So this is a very beneficial application here, because if you're just mismanagement of notes, so this application here can organize that. After that, we have other area, which is the application or app for your management is your Outright. So this is basically an accounting application. So it is used to track the income, expenses, profits, and losses. So that means we can say that it can manage these separate areas of your accounting to track your income. That means it will manage each of these areas here, the certain expenses, the profits, and the loss to that particular firm here. So management applications here will deal with these kind of tasks here. After that, other application area to which it applies is like your social applications. So here for your social applications, what we can say is that you're using, most of us are very much acquainted with these two, like your Facebook and Twitter. So these are your social applications here. That means you have every information, the various pictures you're uploading, the messages you're sending. So they are not with your system, but that is with the cloud of these applications. So like with your Facebook, this is basically a social networking service, and with Twitter, you can interact with the public directly. So these are your social applications offered by your cloud computing system. After that, we have certain entertainment applications here. So from for entertainment applications, like for example, you have audiobox.fm. So basically, these entertainment applications will allow the access to the audio, video, and other entertainment related activities. Now, for example, we have audiobox.fm. So what it allows, it basically offers the streaming service. That means music can be stored online and can be played from the cloud. We can simply say that we can play the music from the cloud platform here. After entertainment applications, we have the applications of the application provided by cloud in your art area also. So that means we have art applications also. So like you have here one app which is called as Move. So this is used in designing and printing the business cards, postcards, and mini cards here. So it will just give you here the various options, and you can just like select it from there. So these are the certain application areas. That means it is offering its applications starting from your business to your entertainment side, including your data storage, your management, and other applications also. Now next we have the cloud computing providers. There are a number of cloud computing providers, but we will see here some of them here. Cloud providers, cloud computing providers here. So they're like from your Amazon, Microsoft, IBM. They all have providing you the cloud services. So for example, like we have Amazon EC2, which is basically Amazon's elastic cloud compute cloud here. So this basically lets the user configure and control the computing resources. That means this is a provider for the cloud service here, which is allowing the users to configure and control the various resources which are required by them here. After that, another one is like your rack space. So rack space basically provides servers on demand. So it will provide servers on demand by a cloud-driven platform, which will have a virtualized softwares here. So other providers here are like your Salesforce.com. So this is basically a development platform. It provides a development platform. That means it provides simple user interface and let the users log in, build an applications, and push it into the cloud here. After that, you have like your app scale. So it's an open source platform for Google App Engine application. So this is basically for Google application or Google App Engine application. So other providers, these are just some of the providers, but rather above it we have a number of cloud providers here, like your AT&T and then Engine Yard. After that, G Cloud 3, Orange Space, etc. Microsoft Azure. So there are a number of cloud providers which are providing a diverse uh, range of cloud applications, or we can say that platform, starting from infrastructure to an app to a layer. We can say that a platform which allows the users to log in and they can build their applications however they want, and they can then push it into the cloud. So we can say that this cloud computing has revolutionized our information technology sector and is providing its services to other areas also. So this was just here about the various application areas of the cloud computing system and the various firms or the various cloud providers in present day scenario here. So this is all for here for today's session. Thank you so much.